Everybody, I'm JD Hoovener, your host of the Bold Today Show, where you, the inventor, entrepreneur, or business owner, get your daily dose of inspiration to make the world a better place. All right, you've made it. And to answer yesterday's question, I want to make sure to get that out right away. There's actually over 9,000 USPTO examiners working for the Patent Office, examining all the inventions that you are submitting. So it's an incredible volume of work, and it's notable. That's why we've been talking about all this policy change to try to integrate and make it easier to predict, easier on the examiners, so that the inventors actually get the right result, for what they're looking for when they submit an invention for application. I want to also ask today's bold challenge is to inquire. If you were going to file, and you should, internationally, right, with your invention. You've already filed your provisional in the US, and you're now looking to file your non-provisional with reference to other countries using the PCT. What is the one country, the one patent office that you'd like to submit to if you're going to submit? Put in the comments below what you would and why that patent office is one that you'd want to submit to. Tomorrow we'll talk about which would be my recommendation. Today we're going to talk about the patent prosecution highway. It's one of the big policy agenda items for the USPTO in patent policy currently, and it's been in place now for a few years. It's been as a part of a pilot program since I think 2013 is what it's been. The Patent Prosecution Highway, PPH, is a program that works in unison with the Patent Cooperation Treaty, the PCT. So when you, the inventor, file international application through the PCT, what that does, in essence, is it buys you time, up to 18 months, to decide when to file your application in other countries. You get to take some time to figure out the market, understand which countries you'd like to pursue protection in, and you then go to what's called the national stage in those other countries. So in that time, right, which could be a year and a half, the US application could actually be granted. Certain claims within that original patent application could be granted. The beauty of the Patent Prosecution Highway and what it does now is it allows the other countries, right, the later filing countries, to reference back to that original country, the original filing, and if there's rights granted in the US, for example, that could get virtually copied, and the examination will get short-circuited and be recognized in those other countries. So it's a huge benefit to having that examination and search all recognized by those other sister countries. So the Patent Prosecution Highway is certainly something to consider if you've got pending international rights and you have a granted, at least one granted claim on the underlying US application. So I know that's a lot. Maybe if you're brand new to this is the first time you're hearing about patents, and here I am talking about the International Authority. Anyway, that's how we like to work here. I want to give you just a tidbit, just kind of scratch the surface of patent law. As you'll see, as we get into these daily programs, there's so much to it, and I'm excited about it, obviously. It's what I do and what I love. If you've got follow-up questions and you want to talk about your specific technology, feel free to follow up with us. Go to our website at boldpatents.com, or feel free to book a free 30-minute consultation. We'd be happy to chat with you confidentially and make sure that you are understanding each step of the process. And I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day. And again, tune in for tomorrow's Friday session. It should be fun. I hope you all tune in for that. I'm your host, JD Hoovener, of the Bold Today Show. Go big, go bold.
Go big, go bold at boldip.com.